go to the tab view. On free panel field, click right mouse button. From the drop down menu, show panels is navigate. On panel navigate, from the drop down menu, activate the command free orbit. Next step, on in circle, green circle, orbital circle, click and tap left mouse button, move the cursor to rotate view. If click in fit point that circle, click and tap left mouse button, we can rotate from the left right, but can't rotate up and down. Another fit point, do analogy. Click right mouse button. From the drop down menu, we can reset view and select another option, that command. To exit the command, click ESC on the keyboard.